UPSC Geography Syllabus. The UPSC Geography syllabus covers both Indian and world geography, and is divided into General Studies, GS Paper I, for prelims and mains, and a highly detailed optional paper for mains. It encompasses physical features, natural resources, and socio-economic demographics. 1. Geography for prelims, GS Paper I. The prelim syllabus tests broad, conceptual understanding and is evaluated on general issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity, and climate change, general geography, Earth's origin, solar system, planetary motions, and latitudes, longitudes. Physical geography, geomorphology, interior of the Earth, plate tectonics, earthquakes, climatology, monsoons, jet streams, climate types, oceanography, ocean currents, coral reefs, and biogeography, soil profiles, world biomes. Indian geography, physical features, Himalayas, peninsular plateaus, coastal plains, river systems, climate, Indian monsoon, soil types, and natural vegetation. Economic and human geography, distribution of key natural resources, minerals, energy, agriculture types, major industries, and demographic attributes. Mapping, locations of global importance, international borders, major physical features, and geographical regions in the news. 2. Geography for mains, GS Paper I. The main syllabus evaluates analytical thinking, spatial mapping, and contemporary issues. Topics include salient features of world's physical geography, distribution of key natural resources across the world, including South Asia and the Indian subcontinent, factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary, and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world, including India, important geophysical phenomena, earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic activity, cyclones, geographical features, and their locations, critical geographical changes, including ice caps and flora, fauna, and the effects of such changes. 3. Geography optional syllabus, mains. For candidates opting for geography as a specialized subject, the syllabus is much more rigorous, divided into two 250-mark papers. Paper I, Principles of Geography, Core Physical Geography, Geomorphology, Climatology, Oceanography, Biogeography, Environmental Geography, and Core Human Geography, Perspectives in Human Geography, Economic Geography, Population and Settlement Geography, Models and Theories. Paper 2, Geography of India, Detailed Regional Geography of India covering physical aspects, resources, agriculture, industries, transport, cultural settings, settlements, regional development, planning, and contemporary political, geographical issues. Actionable resources and links. To align your preparation strictly with UPSC requirements, it is highly recommended to reference official and foundational study materials, NCERTs. Begin with Class 6 through 12 NCERT textbooks, which form the bedrock of the syllabus. You can download or read them via the NCERT official books portal. Atlas. A thorough spatial understanding requires constant map practice using an atlas like Orient Blackswan School Atlas or Oxford School Atlas. Official notification. To review precise micro-topics, exam formats, and eligibility details, access the official UPSC portal via the Union Public Service Commission website.